video, papakita ko sa inyo what I eat in a day. It's been a while now since nung last na what I eat in a day ko. I think that was like 2 years ago. But anyways, this is featuring HelloFresh. Kararating lang nitong HelloFresh na delivery ko kahapon and I'm really excited to try this one. If you don't know HelloFresh, meal subscription sila. Meron silang mga options doon na mga for 2 persons or 3 persons. Meron silang mga family meal, mga low-calorie meals. I'm just going to put their link down below and as well as i-flash ko yung screen kung ano ba talaga sila kasi I'm not really good at explaining. Gandahan kasi dito sa HelloFresh, naka-individually pack na siya. Tapos, measure lang kung ano yung mga ingredients na gagawin nyo. So, I just finished my workout. So, I'm really starving now. Kaya, magluto na tayo. Hi guys! Good morning. So, ito yung ginagawa ko sa breakfast. Usually, smoothie lang ako or minsan bread lang. Dry bread. Pero ngayon gusto ko mag-smoothie. Kasi mas gusto ko yung medyo light lang yung breakfast ko. Kasi nag-workout ako after ng breakfast. Under ko, it's just like this. I got this from Amazon. If you're interested, I'm gonna put the link down below.
I'll put it on one side. Put it back.
Put it right there. Up like one, like collagen drink. Sorry, nabasa pa. Okay. Okay. Ang sarap. Ang sarap niya, guys. The taste isn't that bad. Ang sarap. May mga times na yung smoothie ko hindi masarap. May mga times na on point. Ito yung mga recipe na pinadala nila sa akin kasi ito yung mga pinik ko. Most of this is calorie smart kasi I'm tracking my calories right now. Louisiana sunburst salad. Ayan, meron siyang mga instructions sa gilid and yung mga kasama niya. Then, ito naman yung creamy chive salmon and yung sheet pan chicken and balsamic onions. So, lahat naman sila 30 minutes pwedeng gawin. Dahil gutom na ako, ito yung pinaka madaling gawin, 25 minutes. So, 5 minutes less. So, ito na lang muna tayo. Hindi ko to gagawin ng isahang luto, guys. So, all the ingredients came here. Yung mga dry ingredients and yung frozen nasa freezer pa siya. So, 3 facts on the sticker right here. So, here are all my ingredients right here. Ito na yung mga veggies, this one, and the cheese, the salmon, the cranberries, I think, almonds, and the sauce right here.
Bread and egg. Yung sauce, maanghang, pero masarap. Iba to sa mga natatry kong mga sauces na galing sa store. Let's try the chicken. Kinalahati ko lang yung chicken as compared dun sa pinicturan ko kasi alam ko hindi mo mauubos. Maanghang siya pero hindi maanghang. Kajun, yung parang mga Indian na mga lasa. Masarap naman.
Hi guys! So, kung maririnig nyo yun na may nagsasalita doon, that is Justin's picture. But anyways, I'm really starving right now. I just finished working out and prepare ko na tong creamy chive salmon naman tayo ngayon. Kasi last time, di ba, chicken? Ngayon, salmon naman siya. So, ganyan na magiging itsura niya. Ooh, may mga sweet potato and cucumber right here and salmon. And I'm really excited to try this one. Actually, guys, yung unang meal na ginawa ko, yung Louisiana Sunburst, 3 meals ko siya kinain. So, nung pagkatapos ko kumain ako nun, diba? Tapos nag-dinner ako, yun din ang kinain ko. Tapos kinabukasan nakain ko din siya. Dahil masyadong malaking chicken for me, 3 beses ko siya nakain. So, here are all the ingredients that it comes with it. The sweet potatoes, lemon, cucumber. Ito yung mga sauces, the chives, the sour cream, and the salmon itself. Ito yung recipe sa harapan ko. So, let's start! Now, here's my plate. Medyo binawasan ko siya kasi nagka-count na ako ng calories and I don't think na ma-finish ko siya kahit gutom ako. Sobrang gutom ko na. Let's tikman. Yan. Yung sweet potato dati ko na kinakain. So, okay man siya. Wala namang kakaiba. Itong salmon ako dito. Nag-ano. Yung sauce feeling ko, nasunog ko siya. Ang sarap ng sauce. Save for this one. Kasi I'm not really a fan of fish. I don't really like to eat fish. But the sauce itself, hi guys! So, ito naman yung last na recipe from the box. Itong sheet pan chicken and balsamic onions. It has these ingredients right here. And ito yung instructions. So, here are all the ingredients. Ito yung beans, potatoes, garlic salt, rosemary ata to eh. Ito yung sauce, onions, chicken breast, and the recipe right there.
What's up you guys, it's Nikon. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know some of you guys to download those amazing non-copyrighted aesthetic music that I'm sharing a while ago. So basically you just need to go to helloTAMAD.com. I know this might sound a little bit sponsored episode, but honestly it's not. I just wanted to help you guys on getting those amazing non-copyrighted music for free. So yeah. Also, this video is kinda highly requested by some of you guys, so here it is. Once you're already in the site, you can now download a bunch of amazing music out there for free. Yup, you read it right. Most of their music is free and absolutely free. No need for monthly subscription, but if you do so, please do give some support to the Lincoln for our favorite music creators. So, honestly,
Guys, ito lang.
if you rate after you downloaded the music, you'll be section where you can copy the music you've downloaded and paste.
Let's eat. Excited ako dun sa sauce kasi feeling ko masarap siya. I love onion. So, yeah. Tikman
Tikman na natin yung sauce at saka yung chicken. I love the sauce so much. Masarap yung luto ka. In fairness. Yung potatoes. Kanina pa ito kinakain. Kaya alam ko ng lasa. Masarap. Meron siyang hint ng rosemary. Sarap. Dahil ko yung ginagawa yung potatoes na may rosemary. So, I know yung lasa. Yung green beans, hindi na siya fresh. Pero okay naman.
That is it for this video. Sana na-inspire kayo na magluto at home at wag na masyado mag-take out kasi I'm really trying so hard to do that as well. Sana nakatulong yung video na to, and if you do, please do thumbs up this video and subscribe down below for more beauty and like fitness style videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you again on my next one. Bye!